Enabling low performance mode on your Xbox Series X can help improve system efficiency and extend the lifespan of your console. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Access settings. Navigate to the home screen of your Xbox Series X and press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. From there, scroll down to the Profile and System tab and select Settings. Step 2. Go to General. In the Settings menu, select General. This will open up a submenu with various options related to your console's general settings. Step 3. Select Power Mode and Startup. Within the General settings, find and select Power Mode and Startup. This section allows you to adjust how your console behaves when it is turned on or in standby mode. Step 4. Choose Energy Saving Mode. In the Power Mode and Startup menu, you will see options for instant on and energy saving. Select Energy Saving to enable a low performance mode that reduces power consumption. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting Energy Saving Mode, confirm your choice when prompted. Your console will now operate in a low performance mode, which may reduce load times and graphical fidelity but will help save energy. By following these steps, you can successfully enable low performance mode on your Xbox Series X, enjoy a more energy efficient gaming experience.